In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Binance wallet using the mobile app in 2025. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or simply looking to manage your finances more efficiently, setting up a Binance wallet can be a crucial step. Let's guide you through this process seamlessly. First, you'll want to download and open the Binance app. For those unfamiliar, Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, making it a trusted platform for your crypto transactions. Head over to your App Store, search for the Binance app, and download it to your device. Once installed, open the app and get ready to explore its features. Once you have the app running, you'll either need to sign in if you already have an account or create a new Binance account if you're a newcomer. This process is fairly straightforward. For new accounts, have your information handy, as you'll be required to provide some details for verification purposes. Follow the prompts and soon you'll have access to the app's full suite of features. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the bottom of your screen and tap on Assets. This takes you to an overview of your portfolio and holdings within Binance. From here, choose Wallet. This is where the magic happens. Your wallet is essentially your personal hub for all crypto activities on Binance. Next, you'll tap on Create Wallet. By doing so, you're setting up a secure space where you can manage, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. Binance will walk you through the setup with simple instructions. It's important to follow any security recommendations Binance provides, such as setting up two-factor authentication to ensure your account remains protected. Once your wallet is created, return to the Assets section for further actions. This time you're going to select the type of cryptocurrency you wish to manage. Whether it's Bitcoin, USDT, or another choice, tap on it. You'll then be able to see options like Send or Receive. Select one of these options to view the wallet address associated with this specific crypto. And just like that, you have successfully set up your Binance wallet, ready to send and receive crypto. It's important to keep your wallet addresses safe and secure. Every time you perform a transaction, ensure the wallet address matches with whom you're transacting to avoid any mishaps. With your new Binance wallet, you can now explore the vast world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Remember that managing your wallet responsibly is key to a successful and secure crypto experience. Happy trading, and see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into Binance features and tips.